Hi everyone, it's Artist from Man Carmely. Just an update on video. Right, as you know, we are on a kitchen at the moment. So what we have been doing, we have been working on how to join the mitre, and the best solution we came with is the router bit itself. You see here, that is the router bit we got. So it goes from, I think, 15 millimeters to 25. So the thickness of material is maximum 25 for you to get this mitre. So the biggest problem we had is to find how you actually get it joined and aligned, so you can find out easiest way of actually using this. So what we end up doing was, just show you. So if you can see here, this point here wants to be half of your material thickness. This point here needs to be half of your material thickness, and that's how you, if you see me here lining up, that point there is roughly your half. That's a center line basically. So what you can do, you can run this piece like so to test it out, then you run another piece, then you run another piece flat like so, and then what you can do, you can join two together like so, and if they will marry or be very close, then you know that you are where you want to be roughly with that mitre. As you can see here, we join the two together. So other thing what you want to do is make sure that this guide here is right depth, and the way you can tell it, as you can see here, it's right on the money cut, but there, oh no, sorry, this one is and this isn't because we didn't run it through again. But what it creates a little step, so you want to get your fence back just enough so it's on the point, and when it is on a point, then you get a perfect lock. So we were basically going through this process ourselves because we couldn't find the relevant video. Really, it wasn't quite accurate, so I thought I'll share with you how to actually get it. So you need to get this point on the router bit wants to be center of your material, whatever you have. We got 19 mil, so we go 9.5 roughly, and then you just check with on your fence, so you are, you know, cutting off this fully rather than have a little return here, which we did have on the first attempt. And once you get those two together, you can offer them before you actually do your mitre. So one side you have to run flat like so, other side we're gonna have a guide set up, 19 mil off the fence, which again you can use, we use 19 mil, so you can go like so in there, clamp it up, do the same on the other side. And then what you do, you put it like so, down, face down, and you run it through like so. Oh, sorry, this end. And you run it through like so. Oh, where is it? Oh, this is the wrong bit, sorry. Like so. This was the one we found, so you run it run it through like so. So as you can see, the cutter, this piece will stop it from moving, but you need to make sure that that fitment is very good, so it can't slide away, because that's obviously the biggest issue you could have. You also need to make sure that this fence is flat. Just take a straight edge or something, make sure it is flat, which we have done. So we just put a level on, and we made sure that this runs flat so it doesn't step. And yeah, and so that's the way basically of using the bit. If you go through the instructions there, which we have here, so if you go through instructions here, it doesn't really tell you what thickness, where you go to, it just shows you roughly how to do it. Yeah. But the way is, you get your, as I said, center point. I'll unclip that. Unclip that. So you get your center in line with this point here on the outer bit.
Right.
And that is the way.
That's center of the whole
That
fucking...
is center of the thickness of material, basically.
Yes.
And that's how it will. And you need to make sure that this guide is right depth, so it takes all the cut off.
Yeah.
So it doesn't leave a step.
Yeah.
And that's how you get your mitre. So hope you're gonna enjoy that one, and hope it helps someone.